We've all been there, hustling day in day out, doing more, pushing harder. The hustle is often glorified. But does it actually get us where we're truly meant to be? In today's episode, we'll uncover why hustle isn't the answer, and how smart work can get you results without burnout. Hustle is a constant rush. It's doing, for the sake of doing. It's motion without intention. But smart work? That's different. Smart work is focused and allows you to move with clarity. It's strategic and intentional. It's about aligning your actions with your goals, leveraging your energy in the right places and taking inspired action rather than just moving, because you feel you should. It's grace over grind. The goal isn't just to be busy, it's to be effective. When your work is aligned, every action becomes impactful. Here's the truth about hustle. It wears us down. It clouds our vision, steals our time and drains our creativity. And over time, it disconnects us from the very reason we started. Sure, you may get some short-term wins, but at what cost? The hustle mindset leaves no room for rest, reflection or recharging, and that's when the cracks start to show. The truth? If we keep hustling, we're running on empty. Smart work leaves room for reflection. It requires pacing yourself. It requires knowing when to pause and when to press play. Shifting to smart work takes 24 hours, that is, if you're ready to make the change. Here's what you need to do. Identify your most important tasks and eliminate distractions. Set intentional time blocks for focus work. Delegate what doesn't require your full attention. Give yourself permission to rest, it's part of the process. Smart work is about working smarter, not harder. It's about aligning your actions with your end goal and making sure every move is impactful. Stop the hustle cycle. You were never called to burnout. You were called to build. Start shifting into smart work today. And as you align your work, watch how your time, energy and results begin to fall into place. You don't need to sacrifice yourself for success. You just need the right strategy, the right mindset, and the right approach. Subscribe for more on working smarter, growing your career and building your dream life with intention. The smart girl era is here. Let's thrive together.